Don't miss the boat. Well, that's a popular phrase that a lot of salespeople will use to inform somebody that there's a sale going on, and you don't want to miss it. So, hence the term "don't miss the boat." But for us cruisers, it's a literal meaning and you can actually miss the boat and get stuck in some faraway cruise port after one too many margaritas at Fat Tuesdays or Margaritaville, of course. But what happens if you miss the boat? Well, I'm going to talk all about that in pretty good detail from a cruise industry insider's point of view right after this. Hey guys, what is up? It's Mike from Cruise Bed Adventures here, and I'm back again with another cruise tip vlog. And in today's episode, we're going to be talking about or we're going to be answering a question rather. What happens if you miss the boat? You book your cruise, you head on down to an exotic port such as Cozumel, and you get off and go have a nice lunch, or maybe you hit the beach, do some shopping, and of course on the way back you pop into Margaritaville or Fat Tuesdays or Three Amigos and enjoy a few tasty beverages, pina coladas, margaritas, maybe some tequila shots, rather. And you know, time gets away when you're having fun, and next thing you know, you look up and there goes the ship sailing off over the horizon. I was recently perusing through John Heald's Facebook page, and of course, everyone knows that he's the ambassador for Carnival Cruise Line. And a cruise passenger had asked him, what happens, if you miss the boat? So basically, his response to that is, there's several things that kind of happen in sequential order, and basically what starts happening is they're keeping a running tally of cruise passengers. When you come on board the ship, you'll scan your sailing sign card, and that goes in the system. And they have an up to date count on how many passengers went ashore, how many came back. So they already have an idea of how many passengers they're missing. And then once it gets closer to sail away time, they will start paging passengers over the intercom system, just in the chance that, perhaps somebody came on board, swiped their card, as they came on board and it didn't register. Although, according to John Heald, that's a very rare occurrence that might happen. So they do the paging over the intercom first. Then once the cruise ship gets within a few minutes of sailing away, they will disperse the security folks to the different cruise cabins of those missing passengers to check, see if they're there, and if they're not there, they will round up the passports if they're in the cabin, and they'll take those passports with them. And then at the time of actual sail away, they will turn those passports over to the ship's agent, which is basically a company in each given cruise port that handles the ship's affairs while they're gone. And then once the ship has actually sailed away, the ship's agent will wait on the pier for a certain amount of time, waiting to see if these missing passengers show up. And if they do show up, they will match them up with the passports, and they will help liaise with the customs officials for that country, airlines, hotels, that sort of thing, and try to make arrangements for them to either make it to the next port on the itinerary of the cruise ship, or they'll just simply help them get back to wherever it is they came from. All of that is done at the expense of the missing cruise passenger, of course. So there you have it, folks. Straight from a cruise industry insider. What happens if you do indeed miss the boat? Hopefully none of that happens. None of those things have ever happened to you. I myself have not experienced that. But hey, let me know in the comments. Have you ever missed the boat? Or have you known somebody that missed the boat? What did they do? Let us know in the comments. And what would you do if you missed the boat? Also, drop that in the comments. And with that, folks, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. And as always, if you like this video, consider hitting the thumbs up on the way out. And if you're new here to the channel, consider subscribing. It's absolutely free. It helps the channel grow and push the message out to the masses. I appreciate anybody that watches, subscribes, likes, shares, comments, and I hope that you all are having a great day. Hope you're enjoying whatever it is you're doing, and I will see you on the next video. Take care, everybody.